Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin ito ng reaction video, ang pangalawang pagkakataon na mag-perform ang SB19 sa The First Take. So kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, yung The First Take, ay feeling ko alam nyo na din na yun, The First Take is bawal ka magkamali. Isang take lang talaga siya, literal na isang take lang talaga yung The First Take. So basically, parang kung ano yung ang ikakantahin nyo dito or anong performance nyo dito, yun na yun. Kung may malima kayo, hindi siya pwedeng ulitin, kundi i-upload pa din nila. So, ang kakantahin nila dito is Mapa. My goodness gracious. Actually, for this one, okay naman yung Mapa. Maganda naman yung Mapa. At least maganda ngayon eh. After the upbeat song na Kento, and ipapakita naman nila yung vocals nila or kung paano nila i-enunciate or i-deliver ang kanta ng something like a inspirational song, should I say. Pero feeling ko din mas bagay din dito yung Go Up. Kasi I don't know, para kasi nakikita ko yung dance practice nila before na Go Up. Parang ganito yung ambience. Katulad ng studio ng The First Take. So nevertheless, let's all watch this. I'm really excited to watch this. Literal. Okay. Let's check it out. Tsaka change outfit pala sila.
Grabe. We back. Nakakabingi yung katahimikan dito.
Nakakabingi yung katahimikan.
Bro, we back.
Wow, you're back here again.
So silent, man.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Tell me when you're ready.
Tell me when you're ready.
We're
I love
not.
that.
I'm so nervous, man. I'm so nervous.
You ready?
Yep. We good?
GGG.
Okay, let's get it.
Ready?
Yeah, let's do this.
Gwapo ni Stel. Naka-spec si Stel.
Mama, kumusta na di na? Tayo lagi nakikita.
Oh my God.
Miss na kita sobra.
Wait lang. Oh, yung reaction ko tsaka reaction ni Bobby are almost the same. It's just like very nakaka-enlight ang boses ni Justin Dion, and at the same time, I really love the vibe. I really love the energy. The usual talaga, nagpo-pause talaga ako pag gumagawa ko ng reaction video. Yung unang bigkas, pause agad ako. Kasi gusto ko yung, alam mo yung gumagawa, yung tipong, alam mo yung gusto ko talaga ilahad agad. Yung, kasi the first, yung pinakauna kasi talaga, para ma-caught mong attention isang listener or viewers as well, yung pinakaunang bigkas ng kanta or ang unang kakanta, yun yung tipong dapat, ano talaga siya, icebreaker talaga siya. Yung tipo, alam mo yung, how do I say this? Ang hirap i-elaborate. Pero, I really love Justin there. Like, literally, ang gwapo niya and ang ganda ng vocals niya. Look at that. Kamukha niya si Heshung, no? Si Heshung. Enhypen ba si Heshung? Heshung! Basta gumawa din ako ng reaction video. Basta kamukha niya. Ay, parang ibang version. Okay. Wow! Oh my God, this gracious vocals from Justine. Literal. Oh my God. Oh, that is such an orgasm. Saktong. Si Bobby, wait a minute. Let's just, ano naman, patiin naman natin si Bobby or bigyan na din naman natin lang something like ng opinion dito. It's just like, he is so proud leader right now. Ramdam na ramdam ko. Hindi lang yung basta nasa, ano lang sila eh. Nasa The First Take lang sila eh. Nafe-feel ko yung tipong nafe-feel niya talaga na parang, oh my God, Mama, Papa, this is for you. Ito talaga yung ibig sabihin ng Mapa. Andito na kami ngayon. Who would have thought? Something like that. Wait lang, pwede pang balikan natin yung kay Jack. Oh my God! Inang ba to? Gwapo ni Bobby. Ganda ng shifting ng key change niya. Wow. Si Josh. Sino si Josh? Go. Ay, ganun ba talaga yung arrangement niya? Or may mga key changes silang iniba? Ganun ba talaga? Nag, nag-descending siya. Oh, the pronunciation. Wow! Napakinggan nyo yung ang ganda ng tono. G. Vocals. Oh, vocals. Ganda ng part ni Pablo. Yung kay Pablo. Ipigitan yung I love this version. Gwapo nila. Oh my God, parang nakikinig ako sa Puristela. Wow. Sarap! Leveling. Placement, harmonization, plus the background ad-libs, I love that. From Bass, from Ken. Wow! Iba yung rendition nila dito, no? Ay! Guwapo! Ang guwapo! My God, that was so mesmerizing performance, though. I love that. I love that. I love that. Alright! It's really good here. Yung outfit niya. Anyways, there you go guys. That is all for today's video. The SB19 for the second time in the first take. Things mapa. I love that. Parang binago, dami key changes. This is KJ Vlogs.